Hi, my name is Sean Angel B. Fernandez, and this is my personal blog in understanding self. That I choose is this. So, ba't yun yung napili ko? Kasi, for me, meron itong malalim na meaning para sa akin. And sa tingin ko, yun lang yung theory na para sa akin. So, about sa theory na to, meron siyang tatlong parts. Ito yung rational soul, appetitive soul, and spiritual soul. So, bale ngayon, ipapakita ko yung tatlo na yon. The first one is rational soul.
By this change. Yeah, I think the on this mat against Leviathan. So let's see if you can still maintain that comfortability against tens of all people.
Oddly enough, as soon as you say that, you take some spray, but it's actually artificial.
And second is spiritual soul. And in the last one is the appetitive soul.